Hello, brother. Hello, sister. How are you doing today? I hope today you are doing well, and welcome to this first English session. And my name is Joshua Nyama, and I'm very happy that you join us for these English sessions. So today our lesson will be targeting how to start conversation when we are meeting people for the first time. So when you are meeting people for the first time, it's not easy to start a conversation, and sometimes you must have some ready topics to discuss about. And these 4 pictures that you see on your screen here illustrate some thematics or some topics that you can discuss with someone when you are meeting that person for the first time. So please look at the pictures. What can you see? What can you see, and what topic each picture illustrates? All right. We are going to start our oral exercises. In this video, you are going to have only 2 oral exercises, oral exercise 1 and oral exercise 2. So you listen to the exercises, and at the end of this video, you answer those questions, and then you submit your oral answer. We are going to listen to you and correct you. All right. Okay. First question. Where are some places to meet new people and make friends? Give at least 3 best reasons to become friends. For example, you can say that if you want to make new friends, we have many places where you can go to. Sometimes if you are a student, for example, you can go to school, and at school you can meet some new people, and you can discuss a lot with them, and then you can become friends. Or if you are living in a neighborhood, you can make friends in neighborhood. You can meet new people there and then make friends. Or if you are working or you go to some parties, sometimes you can meet new people, discuss with them, and they can become your friends too. All right. So what do you think? So after, you are going to give your own answer. Another question for you. What's the importance, or what is important when you make a friend? What is important when you make a friend? So for this question, you can answer by saying that it is important to base your friendship on some criteria. And when you make a friend, it is important for you to know if your friend is a person who is interesting, if that person is funny. If you meet someone who is interesting and funny, sometimes that person can make you happy and not being bored all the time. And you can know if the person is easy to talk to, if the person, you can share your secret with the person easily or not. And in that case, the person can also have the same interests as you, or you may have the same activities. You can have the same interests of same free time activities, and that will help you to hang out together, go out together, and discuss your free time activities. But if you don't have the same interests, you don't have the same free time activities, sometimes it can be difficult for you to be friends for a long time. What do you think? What's your answer? Please think about it and give me your answers. Thank you for this exercise. Now let's move to exercise 2. In this exercise, we have a situation. Imagine you want to get to know someone. What questions can you ask to find out about the person's name, the person's home, the person's family, the person's studies or work, or the person's free time activities or hobbies? What questions can you ask? Okay, if you lack questions, here are some examples of questions, but in a French language. So if you lack ideas, you can use those questionnaire or those questions in French language to help you. So we have different categories of questions. You have question based on the name. We have question based on home and family. and we have questions based on occupations, and we have questions based on hobbies. So please try to ask those questions in correct English and to know if you can ask questions in English. But if you have trouble asking questions, here is our grammar point to help you to ask questions correctly. First of all, you need to know that we have yes or no questions with to be and with other auxiliary verbs like can, may, must, will, shall, would, and could. And those, they follow the same pattern. For example, I can say, are you from a big family? Yes, I am. Can you play musical instruments? Yes, I can. Would you like to become a minister? Yes, I would. So all those questions, they follow the same pattern. All right. Okay. And beside that, you must know that if you want to ask information question, you need interrogative words like when, which means in French quand, why, which means pourquoi, how, which means comment, who, which means qui, how long, which means combien de temps, bien, quelle durée, quelle longueur, how many, combien, when the question is asked about quantity, with that we can count, how much, when the question is asked about quantity that we cannot count. So in French language we say combien, mais ce combien là c'est avec ce qu'on ne peut pas compter, ou bien combien dans le sens du prix, on demande après le prix. How old, quel âge, so here you are asking about the age of the person. How far, combien, à quelle distance. So those are some interrogative words that you need to use too. And beside that, so we are going to let you listen to these grammar points, and then you can figure out some rules, and that will help you to know how to ask questions correctly. So please try to work out on it, and we shall meet you for a second lesson, which is lesson 2. So try your best, and I wish to see you in lesson 2. Bye bye. See you in lesson 2.
Present of be.
Are you from a big family?
Yes, I am. I'm one of 6 children.
No, I'm not. There are only 2 of us.
Are you and your friends full-time students?
Yes, we are. We're English majors.
No, we're not. We're part-time students.
What's your name? Is it Leo?
Yes, it is. My name's Leo Green.
No, it's not. My name isn't Leo. It's Joe.
Where are your parents from? Are they from Peru?
Yes, they are. They're from Lima.
No, they're not. My parents aren't from Peru.
Simple present.
Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Yes, I do. I have a brother.
No, I don't. I'm an only child.
Do you and your friends get together a lot?
Yes, we do. We go out all the time.
No, we don't. We don't have time.
What does your brother do? Does he go to college?
Yes, he does. He goes to the same college as me.
No, he doesn't. He works at a bank.
Where do your parents live? Do they live nearby?
Yes, they do. They live near here.
No, they don't. They don't live around here.